Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we'll be doing first impressions and hands-on of the Samsung Galaxy A73 5G. So Samsung's A series has been known for premium features, and recently we unboxed the Samsung Galaxy A53 5G. Now we have the upper variant, the A73, a bit more premium experience, and you get the optical image stabilization for the camera. That's one of the highlighted features, and you also get a 108 megapixel primary sensor. It's a quad camera setup. Then you get the IP67 water and dust resistant capabilities, 4 years of Android updates and 5 years of security patches, and you get the Samsung's One UI Android 12 out of the box, Samsung's sAMOLED 120Hz refresh rate, and a 5000 mAh battery. But as usual, you don't get the charger inside the box. So let's get started with unboxing. So before that, if this is your first time on this channel, do hit that red subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get notified of all the videos we publish. So let's begin with unboxing and our first impressions of the Samsung Galaxy A73 5G. So let's get started with unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy A73 5G. Again, a premium device from Samsung under the A series, and this device is retailing for 41,999. You get offers. We'll talk about the offers later in this video. So this is the box packaging of the Samsung Galaxy A53 5G. You have the device image here, and this is the awesome mint color. We also have the awesome grey and awesome white color, and we have the Samsung Galaxy A73 5G mentioned. We got the 8GB RAM and 128GB storage variant. There is also a 256GB storage variant. So as usual, the box is thin and there is no charger inside the box. And let's get started with unboxing. Let's open the box. So you get the device on the top. So again, taking the device out, we'll just keep it here, and inside the box you get the SIM ejector pin. Then let's see what else is inside. We have the charging cable. So this is the standard charging cable, and I also get the manual and probably the warranty information. So there you go. So heads is mentioned here 1.14, and you can see here two SIM cards. So SIM card 1 and SIM card 2 is mentioned here. So that's all inside the box. So let's get started with the device booting, and then we'll show you the device as well. So let's have a look at the Samsung Galaxy A73 5G. So this is the design. You have the camera unit, and you can see that the camera unit is neatly integrated onto the main panel, which looks really good. We have the 108 megapixel quad camera setup. It looks pretty good. The back panel is as a matte finish. This is a polycarbonate material. We have the Samsung branding. Looks really good. Now this is also the slimmest A series ever made. This is just 7.6 mm in thickness and just 181 grams, and it comes in 3 colors: awesome mint, awesome white, and awesome grey. So this makes the device really lightweight. Even though it's a larger 6.7 inches display, it is pretty lightweight at just 81 grams, which is pretty good. Now we have the power and volume keys on the right side. The left side does not have any openings or slot. The top has the SIM tray, and at the bottom we have the USB Type-C port and the speaker unit. We have dual stereo speakers included. Then we also have the punch hole selfie camera. It's a 32 megapixel selfie camera. So design looks pretty good. The display bezels are also been kept to minimal. It looks really good. So overall, in terms of design and build quality, it feels really premium, and it also comes with IP67 water and dust resistant capabilities, which means you can even go underwater with the Samsung Galaxy A73 with IP67 rating. Water and dust resistance are there. Splashes in the rain, or if you take it outdoor during heavy rains, it won't cause any issues. Then you also get Gorilla Glass 5 support on the display, so it's well protected in terms of durability aspect as well. Now moving on to the display. Now we have a 6.7 inches AMOLED display, and this is the Super AMOLED display, or rather the sAMOLED display, 120Hz refresh rate. It feels very smooth actually if you go to the display settings, and here we'll just show you that. Motion smoothness, we have the higher, which is 120Hz refresh rate, and standard is the 60Hz. So 120Hz is the maximum supported, which feels really nice, and the display peak brightness is 800 nits. So the display quality is definitely good, one of the premium looking displays out there. Excellent touch response. Then the colors are really vibrant, and the viewing angles are excellent, and for multimedia movie watching, this feels like a really great display overall. Now it also comes with 120Hz refresh rate, as I said before. So there is also Gorilla Glass 5 protection offered. So once again, the display is one of the top notch aspects about this device. Now moving on to the performance side. So this device is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G octa-core processor. It's one of the really good mid-range chipsets out there, and this supports 5G. Then you also get the virtual RAM or extendable RAM feature, so you can extend the RAM if you want, and you get either 8GB RAM and 128GB storage, or you get 8GB RAM and 256GB storage. There is also virtual RAM, and a liquid cooling feature is also there to prevent any heating issues. So that's the processor aspect. Now in terms of performance, it's a pretty good solid experience overall, and you get a 9 5G band support on this device. Now this device comes with 4G LTE, VoLTE, voice over Wi-Fi, carrier aggregation. All the features are included in terms of the experience. Now you also get dual stereo speakers, one of the really good powerful speakers, good quality offered with a dual speaker system. Now next let's talk about the software. So this is one of the important aspects about the Samsung devices. So we have the Samsung's One UI 4.1 on this device. Along with that you get Android 12 out of the box. So in terms of One UI experience, you get all the features generally you see on Samsung devices. If you go to advanced features, you can see that motions and gestures, one-handed mode, then video call effects, game launcher, dual messenger, then additional options are also included. If you have customization options, so you can theme the device. So plenty of options are there. Additional software features include knock security, secure folder, Samsung Pay is there. So it's a well equipped device in terms of software features, and apart from that you get 4 years of Android updates and 5 years of security patches. That's a Samsung's promise. That's one of the important aspects. 4 years of updates means even in 2026 you will get the latest Android version on the Samsung Galaxy A73 5G. So that's one of the important aspects if you really worry about software updates. Samsung Galaxy A73 5G is well covered in that. Now next let's move on to the camera. So we have a quad camera setup. It is one of the really good camera system. 108 megapixel sensor. This is the first time we are seeing 108 megapixel sensor in a Samsung device other than the S series. So 108 megapixel sensor comes to the A series as well. Now this is coming with optical image stabilization similar to the A53. So there is optical image stabilization, then you get a 12 megapixel ultra wide and 5 megapixel depth and 5 megapixel macro sensor, and you get a 32 megapixel selfie camera included. Now the 108 megapixel rear camera is one of the really good aspects about this device. You can see the camera samples have come really great, great detailing, good quality, and even the macros have come good. The ultra wide angle camera is usable, the portraits are pretty good, and the low light experience is particularly impressive. We haven't tested in depth, but still in our first impressions we found that the camera is really capable one in this price segment, especially the optical image stabilization, which provides great experience both in low light experience as well as video recording, which gives you a stable footage. You get 4K support for the camera, then you get selfie camera also 4K is supported. So that's one of the good things about this device. 4K resolution is supported, along with that 1080p at 30 and 60 fps is supported. So overall, if you're looking for a camera system which works really well, this is one of the good devices. We'll be doing a detailed camera review later, so stay tuned for that. So cameras are really good on this device. Finally, moving on to the battery life. So you get a 5000 milliamp hour battery, and you get 25 watt charging support, which can charge the device to around 46% in 30 minutes of charging, which is quite okay, but the device does not come with a charger in the box, so you have to buy the separate Samsung's 25 watt charger in case you want to have a faster charging protocol. So now coming down to the pricing of the Samsung Galaxy A73 5G, the base variant is priced 41,999, and you can get up to 3,000 rupees of cashback using ICICI card and SBI card. There is also offers for Samsung Finance, and you also can get the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live, which is priced 7,999 at just 499 rupees. That's the offer with the Samsung Galaxy A73 5G. So you can go ahead and buy these devices with these offers and cashback. So that's the unboxing and overview of the Samsung Galaxy A73 5G. So probably you can say that it has 4 years of security updates, 108 megapixel primary sensor, then you get optical image stabilization for the rear camera, IP67 water and resistant capabilities, sAMOLED display, 120Hz refresh rate, And the Snapdragon 778G octa-core processor offers good experience. So that was our first impressions of the Samsung Galaxy A73 5G. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit that subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.